So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Steph. That's me. We're not even going to, just forget about it. Don't look, okay? In today's video, I have for you the Glow Addict box for the month of October. Now, I have no idea what's in this box. Couldn't tell you. I don't know. I'm sure I looked way back, but I have no recollection of what's in there. ADD will do that. But if you want to see what's in this box like I want to see what's in this box, then keep on watching. Hey guys, remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each time I upload. Thanks. Okay, guys, yes. Adult ADD will do that to you sometimes. No. So, Glow Addict Beauty Box, $18.99, plus I believe it's $2.95 shipping. Comes to whatever. I will leave the total down below. Also, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to bring the beauty bag on here so that you guys can see the difference. I'm in the midst of doing that right now. I had to reach out to customer service in order to do it. I was told. So I'm waiting for a response. It is the weekend that I'm filming, so they are not answering on the weekends. It's Monday through Friday only, so I hopefully will find out on Monday. Okay, so this is the beauty box, and I have been so far, digging the subscription. It's with the shipping and stuff, you're kind of getting up there. I think it's like $21 or something, which is not bad. Geez, Allure is like $23, right? Starting this month, which I do have an announcement about that. Oh my God. But anyway, I did some research, but anyway, another video. Okay, so let's crack this puppy open and see what's in here. Like I said, I don't remember. Have not a clue. There's my label. I don't really care. How's everyone doing? I hope you guys are doing good. I've been recording all night, and yeah, I don't have any grapes in front of me, so my sugar's a little woohoo. But if I start getting up and doing the jig, you know something's wrong, right? Okay. And I have hair. I'm like shedding like every time. This is what... I digress. Okay. So when you open it up, it looks like whammo. There you go. Okay. I can't see anything, but there it is. Okay. So please have a card, please have a card, please have a card, please have a card. It does not have a card. So it means I have to edit everything in there. Don't know when you'll be seeing this, but oh my gosh, should we just get this? I swear I just got this, but okay. So this is pretty cool. I guess. So how many products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And I don't, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. I don't remember how many actually come with this, but I do know it's something, but I will leave it in the description box down below. I promise. Okay, so we do have a beauty blender. Now, it doesn't say who it's from, so I would not have an idea unless I go on their website and they have this listed. I don't know, but I'm always up for getting a beauty blender. Last month, I know we got that, I call it an exfoliator. It's a brush cleaner. But it does, I'm telling you, oh my gosh. I'm going to show you guys, when I do my skincare routine, which I'm going to do a video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do my skincare. And it's very involved. Like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturday, Sunday. It's, yeah. OCD, I know. But it really has been starting to pay off. I've also found a dupe, which I'm also excited. Cannot wait to make that video. It is coming, promise. And oh, look. I don't know who this is from, but it's going to be from somebody because... Oh, please please, I hope you guys can see it. Look. Just look. Can you see that? Look at the little ghosts. Look at how cute. Oh my God. Okay, that is cute. For Halloween, that is cute. And it is super soft, so yeah, I'm digging that. Okay, like I said, I will always take a beauty blender. As long as they're not like hard and And this is like a Halloween theme, guys, so just keep that in mind. I would imagine because of the month of October. A lot of boxes are having that fall Halloweenish vibe. Okay, you know what? This box is like, oh, so crazy big. Okay, so now we have gotten this, I don't know how many times. I actually have one already in the giveaway box, and this one will go in there too because I have 2 of these. I wish if I could find them, I would, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you very quickly. This is from Illuminati. We've seen this before, couple times, matter of fact, from Slay, and I think Bijou Beauty Box, which I no longer get Bijou Beauty Box. I wasn't allowed to pause it, so I had to cancel, but I do get Slay, and I do have a code, so it'll be down below. Anyway, sorry, I digress. This is the Glow Addict Beauty Box. Anyway, here are 2 of the Illuminati, and they are in electric blue and the hot pink. So I will put these right back on the tops oh so nicely so I don't jank them up. And I will put these in a giveaway. Okay, that will go for a future giveaway. That means that if I have 2 winners, both of them can get 2 of the same eyeliners. How cool is that? All right, so there you have that. Now, we have this, which I did see this. I remember now. I don't know if I saw everything, but I did see this, and I think this is oh so cool. This is from, oh boy, where are the glasses? Nope, can't read that. Hang on 1 second, guys. Sorry. I'm in rare form. You know what? You know what happens when I get to like whatever number video, I'm starting to get a little funny. Okay, this is from MERMAID Scale. I don't know. I don't know if that's the brand. I will try and find out if that's the brand and try and link it up here if I can find it. But these are loose pigments, and look at those colors, guys. Awesome. Definitely good for Halloween if you're going to create some kind of vibe or some kind of like makeup look for, you know, bold and wild or whatever. I don't know about spooky, but, you know, I wonder if they glow in the dark. That would be so cool, wouldn't it? It says something. Let the radiant beauty begin. No. Sorry. Let the radiant beauty beneath your skin shine through with our passion. Okay, so this, I believe that's the brand. MERMAID Scales is the brand. It's some indie brand, I'm sure. But, you know, loose pigment, I'm telling you, there's a knack to using this, and I want to master it. So I'm kind of glad that I got this. Even just to practice with, oh, so cool. I would definitely use that pink, you know me. Yeah. Okay, so there's that. Now, we have that's a third item. If you want to count. The little sponge with the thing, that's so cute. So that is definitely Halloween thing. Okay, so we have this. I swear we just got this somewhere. I don't know where. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. This is Illuminati again, quad palette. This is Eclipse. I don't believe we got this very one, but we did. Hold on a second. Let me check something, guys, very quickly. Hang on 1 second. Okay, I'm not crazy. It took me a minute. I'm not going to fib. It did take me a minute. Sorry, I'm all discombobulated. I was digging through my drawer here with all my pals. We did get one. So here it is. I don't remember where. I don't know. I can't swear. I'll have to go back to my videos and look. But this is the Illuminati. This is the Golden Rule. Okay, which is this one. But now that was from a different subscription. So, which is kind of cool because now I have 2. Which this one is the Eclipse palette from them. And as you can notice, this one's like really shimmery, and this one is kind of like matte satin. So that's not bad. If you put those 2 together, you can make something. There's 8 shadows. Are there any duplicates? No. Wait a minute now. This one might look like it is. I don't know. I would have to read. But this is the one we got in Glow Addict, which is cool. You got the dark brown there. The only ones I'm thinking are the same are these 2 shadows that are touching up top. Wait, yeah. But maybe not. They look like they're just different shades, but they're very similar. Yeah, and these are mattes, so I'm liking that. I got 2 mattes, and you got 1 shimmer and 1 satin, and this is more like a sparkly one. Anyway, this is the one from Glow Addict Beauty Box, and I am liking that. Yeah. Okay, so, I mean, it's a very nude palette, but we are in fall. You know, people are like, oh, where are all these colors? Well, fall colors aren't very colorful. I mean, you know, kind of, sort of. But besides, guys, I really don't say, oh, well, it's fall now. I'm going to do my eyes like this. No. I have red eyeshadow on. Okay, I use the Bailey Sarian. By the way, if you're wondering, in all these videos that you've seen me in, I use the Bailey Sarian palette, the Venice Fling, to create this look. And yeah, like I use whatever. I just do. I use whatever mood I feel like doing, you know. If I'm going to wear like lashes, I'll do something dramatic. If I'm not, which I haven't not worn lashes in a while, only once. And I just do like an easy, simple look, you know. So there you have that. That is the 4th product. And the last but not least is a set of Enchanted. This is from Enchanted Glam, I think. Celebrate Your Beauty. Dreamy Complexion Kit. And these are cute. These are oh so cute. Look at the bristles. The bristles are all different colors. Oh, it's from Cala. I'm sorry. It's from Cala right there. Now, Cala, you know, I see them at TJ Maxx and stuff, but I've heard that Cala's an okay brand, you know. And they do have a lot of blushes. I've not seen these there, though. So that means these are probably more new, I would imagine. And oh, so what, right? Brushes, you know me. You can get me with a brush, what I always say, right? So, Dreamy Complexion Kit. You have the angled blush brush. You have the powder. Wait. So, you have a powder brush, which is, I'm assuming, in the middle. And then you have, wait, what? Hold on. You have a powder brush, an angled blush brush, and a foundation brush. No way. No way. Which one is which? It doesn't say? It doesn't say on there. Okay. It doesn't say on there, but let me see. I don't want to touch them. I don't know which one would be the foundation. Oh, I know. This is to put on the foundation. You know, you would put it on and then either take another brush and buff it in or use your handy dandy little ghost beauty blender. But this is to apply. This is the powder brush and that is the angled brush. Blush brush right here. So that's cute. And they do have, you guessed it, the little unicorn with the things. Can you guys see that? With I don't want to take them out, but there's okay, they are cute. I have to admit. They go from pink to turquoise. That's a cute set. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it, okay? So let's recap. We have the brushes, which I think are oh so cute. We have the beauty blender, which I think is adorable with the little ghosts on it. We have the pressed pigment powder, or the loose pigment powder, which I'm excited to try and learn how to use. And here you go, right? And then we have the Illuminati electric eyeliners. You have it in electric, it's the gel eyeliners, electric pink and electric blue, okay? And then we have the Illuminati quad palette in Eclipse, which is, I think, pretty nice. I mean, I'm okay. This would be something I would use if I'm in a really quick, boom, boom, just want to get it done. There you go right there. Okay, so there you have it, guys. So that is Glow Addict Beauty Box for the month of October. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Did you get this box? Is this something you want to see more of? Like I said, I'm going to bring the bag on, which is $13.99. And I want to see exactly what the difference is, what that $5 difference makes. Like, what kind of difference does it make? Is it worth getting the other one? Because I've seen some pretty good things in the bag. I'm just saying, you know, that's why I wanted to do it. And I was like, wait a minute. I'm getting the box, but I like the bag. So I'm going to bring it both on and we're going to check it out. How about that? All right, guys. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. I'm really trying to get the channel to grow out. Plus, this is a great place to go if you do not want to fight. If you do not want to grow old gracefully, no. We don't do that on, well, at least I don't do this. I'm not for that. I'm going to fight it every step of the way because you know why? We have so many weapons at our disposal. Why not? Who wants to grow old gracefully? Some man said that somewhere, let me tell you. Just saying. I am not a man hater. I love every man, you know, not every man, but you know what I mean. Anyway, guys, so I see you in the next one. Please remember, if you're feeling blue, reach out. If you want to say something to that special someone, please don't wait. Say it now. You might lose your chance. And also, please, everything that's going on in this crazy, crazy world today, and I mean really crazy, be safe. See you guys. Bye.